This is the elevator here at the Dave & Buster's at Plymouth Meeting Mall in Plymouth Meeting, Pennsylvania. This is ThyssenKrupp Aurora. Let's go down to 1. Alright, in case you couldn't hear me say it, this is the elevator at Dave & Buster's at Plymouth Meeting Mall in Plymouth Meeting, Pennsylvania. ThyssenKrupp Aurora, one of my personal favorites. Now if you come out here, see they actually replaced the call button, but everything else is original. I believe this was installed in 2006. Door close button works. It's a very nice elevator. Very nice cab. As with every Dave & Buster's, you can hear the clinking in the air hockey game. Here's a view out into the game room. Janus door sensor. There it goes, and that's it.